Welcome back to Katie's Alchemy. I am Nina, Katie's granddaughter, and I am coming to you tonight to go ahead and look at the charts. We're going to first look at gold. As I stated in a previous video, when you're looking at your charts, you want to make it to where you can see. And the market was so volatile last week. Hold on. Let me just refresh it. Okay. So, when you're looking at the charts, you want to make sure that you can see clear. We see from last week where the market was because we marked it up here. In my prediction, um, and I don't know one or two things, but in my prediction, I remember saying I see a head and shoulders forming, which is this right here, and that the market was gonna go down. And of course, sometimes the market does a variety of things before it goes into the direction that it's supposed to go into, but nonetheless, it still went all the way down. So, looking right here, this is a 4-hour chart. What we see here is that gold is right now, of course, in consolidation. We just saw a little movement from here to here that I wish I would have looked at my charts earlier, but I was working. And so I'm not trading gold this week. I am trading with my team only this week. I want to give it a break, and so I am committing myself to going into the academy and watching a whole series again on trading. I don't know which series yet. I'll let you all know. But what I'm trying to do is perfect my skill. I was gonna say craft, but I want to perfect my skill because my entries are still suffering. And sometimes I do get up and just enter a trade. If I see it going where I predict to go and I didn't get in, sometimes I'll just get in. And of course, that's not what you're supposed to be doing. But nonetheless, every loss is a lesson, and I don't let it keep me from trading gold. Eventually, I'll get it. And so this week, I'm spending time in the academy. I will be trading with my network on Tuesday and Thursday of this week, but those will be the only trades that I take. Um, so let's go ahead and get into it. What we see right now is gold is in a downtrend, especially according to where the market was last time I did a video or market analysis. And let me throw my disclaimer in. This is by no means financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, nor am I advising you to get into the market and spend or invest anything that you cannot afford to lose. If you can't afford to lose it, you should not be investing it. And so, with that being said, let's just take a look. Let's clear the chart. Let's and see, people be scared to get on here and share their experiences because people don't like to be wrong. But for me, right, wrong, and different, this is my trading journey. And so this is what I'm learning. Like I said, I saw the head and shoulders. It did look funny to me because I was like, well, dang, it's bigger on this side. But a head and shoulders is a head and shoulders. There's no, oh, but it has to be small. And so I saw it, it came down, and here we are here. And it could turn around right here. Like I said, the market is not predictable. And so you're just analyzing it. And in your analysis, you are putting in your trade according to where you think the market is going to go. Everybody's different. Um, I've been trading now for a year. Pop my collar. And I can't say that, well, according to my trades, let's just talk numbers. According to my trades, I'm 50-50. Where I'm trying to be is at least 75-25, because you lose some, you win some. But I didn't start out 50-50. I started out probably 25-75. Me losing 75 and only getting 25 right. And so it's growth. Now I'm 50-50 and I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep learning until I get it. Repetition is key. And so I get on here. I look at my charts. I haven't been this week. I traded this week. Well, last week. It's a new week. Trade week starts over today. But last week I traded with my team. I took a couple of trades on my own. I knew that the Great British Pound and the US dollar, I knew the US dollar was turning around and coming back up. So I took a lot of those trades on the back up. Sometimes I'll put in more than one and just ride it that way. It's less stress. And so when you become good at this, y'all, if I sound different, I had to stand up. I gotta stretch. Yeah, when you become good at this, you can see when the market is going to turn back around. And let me pull up Great British Pound so y'all can see what I'm talking about. What I'm talking. Where am I? What is this? This is probably what I will. Because you got to still trade. I probably trade Great British Pound this week. This was my first pair that I started trading and actually knew what I was doing a little bit. I'll say a little bit. I used to catch the Great British Pound sometimes in consolidation. A lot of my trades be in consolidation, but um, it was being manipulated too much, and so that's when I started taking Bitcoin and Ethereum trades, and then I ended up back at gold because gold was one of my first pairs too. Gold will humble you, but if you stick with it, it pays you well, and so I'm gonna stick with gold. But I don't mind taking any pairs, hell, because I trade a lot of different pairs with my partners, network partners. So okay, so you see right here, when this came back around, I caught it about right here. And let me just look on my phone and see where exactly I got in. Whew. 7, 6, 7, 2, 3. Yep, down here. What do it say? One. Oh, that's not it. I rolled most of this up, okay? And now we're in consolidation. And I see another head and shoulders right here. And might not look like it to you. Let me see. Okay, so anyway, this is on the day. And like I said, in consolidation, on the day, you see this a lot. You got to pay attention to your candles. This right here, this big candle, and then this one right here, because it's coming to a resting point. And so when this wakes up at 3 a.m., I probably will be in on a trade. I think it's going to continue to go up because, like I said, I see right here head and shoulders. And then we'll go down to the 4 hour. Looks like this is in consolidation. Okay. Let's see here. Mm. I think it's going to continue to go up because it got to make up all this. It's just right here. And see right here, when you look at the market when it's here, you see how far up it went from there compared to, let's see, say for instance, when it went all the way down here, it didn't come back up that much. But when it's right here, a little bit in the air, it went up more. Let's see. You see right here? It's all the way off the ground, so it went up even more. Um, and the market is patterns. If I sound weird and you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, the market is all patterns. That's why I put it on the lines. This is an hour chart. Let's see here. And like I said, the market is not it's not predictable. It can turn back around. But from my eyes, I see that the Great British Pound USD is going to continue to buy or be bullish. As far as gold is concerned, let's go back to gold. And I could be wrong. Like I said, this ain't advice. You hear me and seeing me and are here with me going over my chart. Um, Look at gold. Okay, let's refresh it. We cleared the chart, but last week gold was up here, and so it is still selling. If I was gonna place a trade with gold right now, in which I'm not, you gotta have a certain amount of money in your account to trade gold. So unfortunately, I'm not there right now. But you can trade it on like 1 cent, and it pay off because gold makes big moves. So you can go out there with a penny and be okay still. Just if you're building up your account, don't let anybody tell you what to trade and what you can't trade. I would put in a sale though. The market buys to sell, so I think right here it's gonna come all the way back down to here, maybe. And I know last week it went down to 17.97. It sure did. So yeah, that is my two chart analysis. Like I said, these are two pairs that I've been trading since I've been trading. And so I just want to look at them. I will probably be in. Oh, let me pull up one more thing. Oh, what's the name of it? I'm not gonna correlation. This is called a correlation chart. And what it shows you is the pairs that trade about in the same direction. What pair is that? Odd JPY. I need to start writing this stuff down. Let me get my little notebook out of here. Okay. So it's good for you to know the pairs that you trade. What trades in the ouch. What trades in the same direction? And so I was looking at the Great British Pound, USD, and right here, looking at these numbers. Okay. So I went out here, Great British Pound, right here. It's showing 90%. This is the same one. 90, 97. Let's see what. 97. Euro USD. Right here. 90.3 for odd JPY. Yeah, this is deep. And see, this is the thing with learning Forex. You got to remember certain things. You're going to hear a lot of people talk about it once you get into it. But sometimes things will just stick one day. Euro JPY. So Euro JPY. And I'm going to go over what I'm right now. 91. 96.7. 96.7. Okay. So what I just wrote down was all the pairs that trade almost similar to the Great British Pound USD. And this is called correlation. Because if you want to just trade, all those pairs are going to move together. Big and small moves. So, and let's look up gold. Let's see if it's here. Ooh. Ooh. These two. 87. 87. Did I say 87? Let me see. Yep, 87. And this one is 84.6. 84. Oh, okay. The Great British Pound. And it's funny that I wasn't trading both of them. Oh, duh, couldn't trade both of them. Okay, let's see what else trades with gold. And then we're going to go ahead and get out of here. I had an aha moment, so I'm going to write it down in my Forex notebook and look back over this week. 87, we got 84, 79, 79. Let's go up here. 79. There's a lot of tools you can use in Forex. Please use your tools. Trading is not the place to be acting like you got it all figured out. Excuse me. Okay. Right here. All right. So, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. What we just confirmed is that Great British Pound, USD, and gold trade similar. And so I'm going to start making sure to look at both the charts. And then Great British Pound, USD, Euro, USD, odd, JPY, Euro, JPY, and USD CAD trades with the Great British Pound wheel. That's important. If you don't understand, you will, because I'm going to keep sharing and making you familiar. Peace and power. If you have any questions, please comment. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And y'all, I'm going to get out of here. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. Peace.